Saturday, October 15th. We're on the drive towards Passau in Germany.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, so we are making our way towards Passau, and indeed it's quite a long ride because we have to go over the mountains in order to get there. Of course, once we get there, we are going to start on our respective walking tours, so we are going to divide on the spot accordingly to our letters. Of course, I will just need a few minutes to brief our guides, and then we are ready for the tour. So this morning you can just relax, take a nap, and I'll let you know when we get closer to Passau.
We're by the Danube in Passau, Germany. It's a nice quaint town. It's rainy. It rains here 200 plus days in the year. So they call this kind of day a rainy sunshine. Here's our tour guide getting instructions from our tour director. We're in a border town in the eastern part of Bavaria. We are at the latitude of Seattle. We have 3 rivers converging in this town. The little river is black, 25 miles long. It is on the border with the Czech Republic. The Danube River runs through 11 countries. Water is of blessing as well as a pain in this area. This town got flooded in 2013. Houses are built for eternity, some of them 800 years old. These are the watermarks for the floods of 2011, 2002, 1954, and 2013. Ground floors are usually reserved for artists, so people don't actually reside on the ground floor. One of the art studios.
You need the okay from the authorities, and that is very difficult to get.
This is a renovated building converted into a hotel. One of the more successful renovations here in Passau.
Asked her, so who did you husband? And she said, well, it's Jim. And I said, yeah, who is Jim? It was Jim Irwin, the astronaut from Lunar Vehicle. He is here. And they introduced me to their daughter Chen. She's my age, and we have been friends ever since that time. And
Passau was ruled by the Prince Bishop for 800 years. This building is 600 years old, built by the people for the people. Used currently for concert halls and city council meetings, for weddings as well. This tower has 23 bells and can play a melody of music. This red brick building was the office of the American representative from 1945 to 1952. The uphill, there are less sand and cement holding the cobblestones together. Gymnasium in Germany means grammar school, not a gym. Latin is first instructed on 5th grade, followed by English in 6th grade. This is a high school. Benedictine Abbey. An abbey is a convent which is self-sufficient. This is the river Inn. Inn means river, and Innsbruck means a bridge by the river. We're in the old town.
Who had a vision of the Virgin Mary. Got married here, and he prayed.
Statue of Virgin Mary with Jesus Christ, the baby.
Is representing the river in, coming from the mountains. The little one with the pearls in the hair represents the river in. And the Danube is the hair.
These are fake facades. The structure behind them are not as pretty. The new residence of the Prince Bishop. In 1803, that was the year of secularization, where the state took over the properties of the Catholic Church because of its opulence. Passau at one time was the largest diocese of the Roman Catholic Church. The idea was to evangelize and Christianize the Slavic people. On this church remains the remnants or archives showing the opulence of the Catholic Church while it ruled for 1,000 years. This alley is called the Bishop's Immunity. The bishop separated himself from the people with the chain gate. Here was where people left marks of their names, acronyms, with renovations made in 1968. Stonecutters left the marks with their signature. Passau has the youngest bishop in the Catholic Church. The largest church organ is in this church, 17,000 pipes. So we skip lunch and come back at 2? Hindi makasagot.
So admission natin, wala. $5, ay €5. Bibil daw ng ticket ko.
Here's where we're gonna listen to an organ concert. Beamer W. Volkswagen. Kadeng. Another Volkswagen. district of Passau. Another BMW. Purple. M4. What car is this? I thought it's the smart car.
Made with Swarovski crystals.
Which? Passau. In Germany. This is another river cruise boat. Ana Viola. This is the Viking. And on the inner one is Viking Rinda. We have left Passau and cruising on to our next port, Regensburg, Germany.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I need that today.
Oo nga, anong protocol nila? Ask permission.
Right.
Record. Yun naman mo sa'yo.
Ay na pa eh.
Ayaw, binidyo namin din.
Ano pa yung patayin mo?